Good morning, fifth grade. How are you today? Welcome back to English class. For English class today, we are going to read and understand text. Membaca dan memahami teks. Teks ini bisa kalian lihat di Oxford Discover Student Book 5, page 38 until 40. Halaman 38 sampai dengan 40. Are you ready? Let's start. Teeth Not Just for Eating by Amy Fernando. What are teeth used for? That's easy. You say teeth are for eating. You're partly right. For people, that's the purpose of teeth, biting off and chewing food, and occasionally ripping into that package of cookies. For animals, teeth are good for more than just eating. They might be used for fighting, communicating, or even building a home. Some animals have a continuous supply of teeth. The shark has 2 sets of teeth, so a missing tooth is automatically replaced. Many reptiles, like lizards, also have a constant supply of new teeth, replacing the old ones. Many animals use their teeth to battle. Walruses have 2 ivory teeth, called tusks, that can grow up to almost a meter long. Male walruses fight each other over females, and the one with the longest tusks usually wins. Elephants also have tusks, though they can grow to be over 3 meters long. They use them to protect mates and young, even fending off lions if necessary. Other animals may attack prey with their teeth. Alligators and crocodiles don't use their teeth to chew, but to seize prey which they swallow whole. They may lose teeth, but backups are waiting to move and fill the empty spots. Some animals have sharp front teeth called fangs, which kill. A poisonous snake can push venom through its fangs, leaving its victim helpless. Vampire bats use fangs to pierce holes in their prey's fur and skin. Then they lap up the blood, their food, with their tongues. Hyenas' small teeth are set in powerful jaws that can crush the bones of a much larger animal. Some animals use their teeth to send a message. Horses show teeth to express different feelings. They might talk tough, welcome others, or show respect. Porcupines click their teeth to warn others to stay away, while hippos yawn to threaten. Baboons scream and show a mouth full of huge, pointed teeth to both frighten intruders and make their young behave. Angry bison grind their teeth, making a squeaky sound. Stay away. A few animals use their teeth to supply shelter. Naked moles, rats, use for razor-sharp teeth to dig tunnels, which serve as a home. Their lips seal behind their teeth, so that soil doesn't enter their mouths. Their teeth are constantly growing, but wear down as the top and bottom teeth scrape together while digging through hard soil. Beavers also have 4 front teeth that continually grow. These teeth wear down from gnawing through trees. After toppling a tree, beavers use their teeth to drag logs to the water. They use this log to build a home or lodge, and also to create a dam, which protects the lodge. Some animals also use their teeth to groom or clean themselves. For example, there is a group of animals called prosimians, which means before the monkeys. They're monkey-like creatures, but they aren't monkeys. There are about 50 animals in this group, including lemurs, ayayas, and lorises. The type of teeth and the way they use them tell us that they must be prosimians. Almost all prosimians have comb-like lower front teeth that they use to clean the fur on their bodies. So, as you can see, teeth are not only used for eating. They're also useful for building shelters, digging holes, warning of predators, catching and killing prey, fighting and keeping clean. Nah, teman-teman, dari bacaan yang kita baca tadi, bahwa hewan itu memiliki gigi yang digunakan untuk berbagai macam tujuan. Contohnya seperti walrus dan gajah, mereka menggunakan giginya yang berbentuk taring untuk melindungi pasangan dan anaknya, serta juga digunakan untuk berkelahi. Nah, kalau seperti aligator dan buaya, mereka menggunakan giginya untuk menelan, bukan untuk mengunyah ya. Jadi giginya untuk menelan mangsanya secara utuh. Nah, sedangkan untuk ular biasanya giginya berbentuk taring, yang biasanya di dalam taring tersebut ada bisa atau racun yang nanti disuntikan ke tubuh si mangsa. Kalau untuk kelelawar vampir, gigi yang berbentuk taring tadi digunakan untuk membuat lubang pada kulit si mangsa. Jadi supaya mereka bisa menghisap darahnya. Nah, untuk beberapa hewan, gigi itu menunjukkan ekspresi mereka. Seperti kuda misalnya, dia berekspresi menggunakan mimik wajahnya dengan menunjukkan giginya gitu. Baboons juga, terus bison juga menunjukkan kalau mereka marah atau sedang respect dan menakuti mangsanya. Nah, untuk beberapa hewan seperti berang-berang, tikus tanah itu menggunakan giginya untuk membuat rumah. Nah, dan beberapa hewan seperti lemur menggunakan giginya untuk membersihkan bulu-bulu mereka. Itu tadi ya teman-teman, fungsi-fungsi gigi yang dimiliki hewan. Jadi gigi-gigi mereka diciptakan untuk berbagai fungsi yang berbeda. Nah, teman-teman, supaya teman-teman bisa lebih memahami teks yang kita baca tadi, ini ada beberapa pernyataan or statements yang harus teman-teman lingkari true or false, benar atau salah berdasarkan bacaan yang kita baca tadi ya. Oke, let's check. Okay guys, I think that's all for English class today. See you next week. Bye bye. Have a nice day.